Episode 56 YE September 24, 2024. Bogotá, Colombia joins Breathe Cities initiative. Heat Pump Rebates. In Episode 56 YE1A Enviva, Wood Pellet Company in the United States versus the Southern Environmental Law Center. 2 Arizona, 3 California, 4 New York, 5 Oregon, 6 Wisconsin, 7 Columbia Bogotá. Bogotá joins Breathe Cities initiative to tackle global air pollution. 8 United Kingdom, 9 Pakistan. Part 2 Heat Pump Rebates. Main content. 1A Enviva, Wood Pellet Company in the United States versus the Southern Environmental Law Center. World's largest wood pellet company accused of greenwashing in new SEC complaint. RAWSEP View. This complaint should also include evidence of harm to human health from wood burning. The scientifically debunked claim of carbon neutrality of wood burning is being used by Enviva as an excuse for wood burning. In reality, wood burning emits 2.8 times the CO2 and PM2.5 as coal burning, as shown by testing the cleanest burning wood stove in the United Kingdom the Ecodesign wood burning stove. A report by Ember recently showed that wood burning at the Drax plant in the United Kingdom now emits 4 times the CO2 as when the Drax plant burned coal. Wood burning emits 90% PM2.5 particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, the perfect size to infiltrate the human lung, setting off a cascade of human health problems and early deaths. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Southern Environmental Law Center. Still, Enviva tells investors and the broader public that burning wood pellets for electricity reduces lifecycle emissions of climate warming. Washington, D.C. On Monday, September 23, 2024, the Southern Environmental Law Center filed a complaint with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, urging the regulatory agency to investigate Enviva's potentially misleading statements about its climate impact and sourcing practices. 1B United States. Open burn ban issued for 8 local counties. MSN. 9 reasons you should avoid a wood burning fireplace. RAWSEP View. In addition to being harmful to yourself and your family, operating a wood burning fireplace is harmful to the health of your near neighbors and contributes incrementally to hastening climate change. From the article in AZ Animals, U.S. 36. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to Residents Against Wood Smoke Emission Particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Reason 2. Detrimental to air quality. Sources show that wood smoke could triple pollutants within the home and release harmful particulate matter that could damage your family's lungs. Reason 4. Increased house fire risk. According to the United States Fire Administration, wood fireplaces are responsible for 4,000 residential fires each year. Reason 5. Substantial heat loss. Wood fireplaces are considered one of the most inefficient ways to heat your home. They're labeled as net energy losers due to the heat loss through the chimney and during combustion. Gas fireplaces are considered far more efficient. Reason 7. Negative environmental impact. Fireplaces are considered the least energy-efficient way to heat your home. Burning would negatively impact the environment in several ways. The particulate matter released through the chimney contains harmful toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. In addition to the potential health impacts, these byproducts increase the risk of smog and acid rain. The source of the wood could also be harmful to the environment. Reason 9. High insurance premiums. The increased risk of fire and smoke damage means higher insurance premiums for homes with wood-burning fireplaces. If the wood stove is the primary heat source within the home, or you can't prove it had professional installation and maintenance by a professional, it could even lead to coverage denial. Electric heat, heat pumps, and natural gas are considered the best options for home insurance coverage. Finally, a better option. A gas fireplace offers several advantages over a wood-burning one, making it a more convenient and efficient choice for many homeowners. Gas fireplaces provide instant heat with the flip of a switch, eliminating the need for chopping, storing, and hauling wood. They burn cleaner, producing fewer emissions and requiring less maintenance since there's no ash or soot to clean up. Additionally, gas fireplaces are easier to control, allowing you to adjust the flame and temperature to your liking, and they often come with safety features like automatic shutoff. 1C United States. The PM2.5 NOx were lowered. What now? Power engineering. In May 2024, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, lowered the primary annual national ambient air quality standards, NOx, for PM2.5 from 12.0 to 9 micrograms per cubic meter. 2. The Arizona Department of Environmental Quality has issued an ozone high pollution, Arizona Emergency Information Network. Conserve electricity. HPA restrictions. Wood burning in residential fireplaces, chimneys, outdoor fire pits, and similar outdoor fires is prohibited. 3A California Lake Tahoe. Fall prescribed fire program kicks off this week at Lake Tahoe. South Tahoe now. Pile burning involves burning piles that are constructed by smoke from prescribed burns. Wildfire or wood burning stoves may hang. 3B California San Francisco. The Bay Area Air Quality Management District Air District asks people to refrain from burning wood over the Thanksgiving holiday. RAWSEP View. It should be obvious and should not have to be said, but health authorities repeated that wood smoke is unhealthy to breathe in. MSN. Burning wood over the Thanksgiving holiday this year. The Bay Area Air Quality Management District is asking people to voluntarily refrain from burning wood over the Thanksgiving holiday this year. District officials said wood smoke is the largest source of wintertime air pollution in the region and, like wildfire and cigarette smoke, it is unhealthy to breathe in. 4 New York Geneva. Waterloo may ban outdoor wood stoves. NewsFLTimes.com Finger Lakes Times. Burning stoves, which Mayor Ted Young said pose problems because they do not have tall enough chimneys to carry smoke away from homes. 5 Oregon. Lane Regional Air Protection Agency RAPA using $1 million federal grant to tackle dense smoky air. KLCC. Oak Ridge air quality suffers between wintertime wood burning stove smoke and seasonal wildfires. It's also one of the poorest communities in Oregon. 6 Wisconsin Wausau. DNR issues reminder 2, buy local, burn local, when using firewood. RAWSEP View. If the emphasis was on human health and prevention of cancer, the quibble would not be about where wood was taken from, where it was transported to, and where it was burned, but the concern would rightly be on the adverse effects of wood burning no matter where wood was sourced from. WSAW. The DNR is asking. WSAW. The Wisconsin DNR is reminding Wisconsinites and state visitors to think twice before giving invasive species or harmful hitchhikers a ride in their firewood this fall. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to residents against wood smoke emission particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization ahead of National Firewood Awareness Month in October. The DNR is asking people to make smart firewood choices to help prevent the spread of invasive pests and harmful insects. A state spongy moth quarantine prohibits the movement of firewood and other products that can carry spongy moth eggs to counties on and near Wisconsin's western border or other states where the pest is not established. Uncertified firewood from more than 10 miles away is prohibited from entering state parks, state forests, or other DNR properties. The DNR's Firewood Rules and Resources webpage explains firewood regulations. County, federal, and private campgrounds may have similar firewood restrictions. If moving firewood to or through tribal properties in Wisconsin, contact the tribe and follow its policy on allowable firewood. The Don't Move Firewood website urges people to buy local, burn local. To find local firewood sellers and vendors of certified firewood, visit the Firewood Scout website. 7 Columbia Bogotá. Bogotá joins Breathe City's initiative to tackle global air pollution. Bogotá.gov.co Alcaldía de Bogotá. In 2023, the annual average concentration of PM2.5 was 16 micrograms per cubic meter, remaining above the global health guidelines with significant impacts on the health. Today, during New York Climate Week, the city of Bogotá announced its new partnership with the Breathe Cities initiative in a significant move to reduce air pollution, cut carbon emissions, and improve public health in Colombia's most populated city. RAWSEP View. Hopefully this initiative will tackle the air pollution problem of indoor residential wood burning in Bogotá, along with the problem of air pollution from traffic. From the article, Bogotá joins Breathe Cities initiative to tackle global air pollution. September 23, 2024. Bogotá joins the Breathe Cities group to benefit from data support and international knowledge exchange to improve air quality. Breathe Cities will allow Bogotá to improve its air policies for its 7.9 million inhabitants. Translated from Spanish. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to residents against wood smoke emission particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Today, during New York Climate Week, the city of Bogotá announced its new partnership with the Breathe Cities initiative in a significant move to reduce air pollution, cut carbon emissions, and improve public health in Colombia's most populated city. The mayor of Bogotá met with the Breathe Cities executive director, the Clean Air Fund CEO, the C40 Cities executive director, the Bloomberg Philanthropies Environment Program lead, and the Breathe Cities Advisory Committee chair discuss plans for delivering improved pollution monitoring and cleaner air for Bogotá residents. Breathe Cities was announced in 2023 by the UN Secretary General's Special Envoy on Climate Ambition and Solutions and founder of Bloomberg Philanthropies, and Sadiq Khan, London mayor and C40 Cities co-chair. The initiative gives cities greater access to air quality data to support initiatives at the local level. Bogotá is the latest to join the global initiative of 12 other cities: Accra, Ghana, Bangkok, Thailand, Brussels, Belgium, Jakarta, Indonesia, Johannesburg, South Africa, London, United Kingdom, Milan, Italy, Nairobi, Kenya, Paris, France, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, Sofia, Bulgaria, and Warsaw, Poland. The initiative aims to reduce air pollution by 30% on average across participating cities by 2030. In Bogotá, it's estimated that the impact of achieving this goal by 2030 would include preventing over 840 premature deaths a year, saving $1.7 billion in annual costs from avoided deaths and disability, and avoiding around 1,600 new cases of asthma in children and 3 megatons of greenhouse gas emissions a year. Currently, 41% of cities worldwide have air pollution levels over 7 times higher than the World Health Organization's recommendations, contributing to 8.1 million premature deaths each year. In Bogotá, while the average concentration of particulate matter has decreased over the past 8 years, it still exceeds recommended levels. In 2023, the annual average concentration of PM2.5 was 16 micrograms per cubic meter, remaining above the global health guidelines with significant impacts on the health of Bogotá citizens. Bogotá has also launched its first clean air zone, Zuma, to address air pollution and protect public health. Bogotá's mayor aims to implement a second clean air zone, Zuma, by 2027, aligned with the city's air quality plan, Plan Air. Recently, Bogotá participated in C40 Sits in the Air campaign, reaching over 10 million people globally and more than 10,000 locally, which celebrated people-focused transport and other clean air policies worldwide. About Breathe Cities. Launched in June 2023 by Michael R. Bloomberg, the UN Secretary General's Special Envoy on Climate Ambition and Solutions and founder of Bloomberg Philanthropies, and London mayor and C40 Cities co-chair Sadiq Khan, it aims to break down barriers to action and ensure communities around the world have access to clean air. Breathe Cities brings together air quality data, communities, and city leaders to reduce air pollution and planet warming emissions by 30% across participating cities by 2030. This would prevent 39,000 premature deaths and avoid 284 megatons of CO2 emissions in selected cities. To learn more, visit their website or follow Breathe Cities on Instagram and Facebook. 8A United Kingdom. Derbyshire householders could be fined £300 for smoke belching chimneys this winter. Derbyshire Times. Wood-burning stoves have risen in popularity over recent years. Smoke from burning causes air pollution which harms the health of millions. 8B United Kingdom Scotland. Sorted by article publisher. C. Countryside Alliance. Ban on wood-burning stoves paused. RAWSEP View. Some in Scotland are congratulating each other on their win for continued dirty air, while other countries and even other parts of the United Kingdom are successfully implementing replacement of wood burning with a clean, cheap alternative heating source that can also double as an air conditioner, heat pumps that work down to 40 degrees below zero. Rural people are the losers in terms of their own health and the health of their near neighbors. From the article. Excerpts edited by RAWSEP for brevity and clarity in relationship to residents against wood smoke emission particulates, a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Countryside Alliance. Last week, Alastair Allen, Minister for Climate Action, announced in a letter to Scottish councils that the ban on wood-burning stoves and other, in a victory for rural campaign groups including the Scottish Countryside Alliance, Alastair Allen, Minister for Climate Action, announced in a letter to Scottish councils that the ban on wood-burning stoves and other direct emission heating systems would be temporarily lifted. See The Courier. Dundee dad among wood stove fans fighting for their right to burn. The Courier. Many of us are fans of wood-burning stoves in Dundee and beyond, but what risks do we pose to our health and the environment by using them? 9 Pakistan, Islamabad. Air pollution takes toll on rural health. The Express Tribune. A doctor and health expert in an interview said that exposure to fine particulate matter can lead to low birth weight developmental issues. Episode 56 YE September 25, 2024. Part 2. The All Heat Pump Rebates episode. In episode 56 YE Part 2. 1 World, 2 United States, 3 Maine, 4 Massachusetts, 5 Minnesota, 6 New York, 7 Washington, 8 West Virginia, 9 Canada, 10 United Kingdom, 11 Germany. Main content. 1A World. Global heat pump market projected to surpass $200 billion by 2034. HPAC magazine. The report values the current global heat pump market at $84.6 billion USD, projecting it to reach $202.2 billion by 2034. 1B World. 6 green technologies to keep your home warm this winter. Earth 911. 1. Ultra-high efficiency heat pumps E2. Geothermal heat pumps E3. Solar-powered heating systems 4. Radiant floor heating 5. Smart thermostats with 1C World. Soaring sales for heat pump water heaters in 2023. Let the party begin. Clean Technica. Lots of heat pump water heaters are now on the market, and they're ready to party. Heat pump water heater sales saw their largest increase ever in 2A United States. New government program wants to give you $14,000 to remodel your home, and it will help. MSN. The IRA offers substantial rebates for a wide range of energy-efficient home improvements. We're talking heat pumps for heating and cooling, water. 2B United States. Why people aren't buying heat pumps and what states can do about it. Route 50. This included rebate messaging, as well as energy efficiency statements. The message: heat pumps are 24x more efficient than other heating. And 3A Maine launches $36 million federally funded home energy rebate program. The Maine Wire. Multifamily new construction projects may receive up to $8,000 per unit for heat pump installations provided that at least half the units are occupied. 3B Maine Portland. Heat pump rebates in the works for Mainers Maine Biz. Biz Portland Commons includes heat pump technology on the roof. Heat pumps rebates are on the rise thanks to federal. Multifamily new construction projects can get up to an $8,000 rebate per dwelling unit for heat pumps. To qualify, at least 50% of the buildings. 4 Massachusetts. How you could save money with MA Home Energy Rebate Program. The Gardner News. $840 for an electric stove, cooktop, range, or oven and/or an Energy Star certified electric heat pump clothes dryer. When could the home energy? 5 Minnesota. Why people aren't buying heat pumps and what states can do about it. Route 50. This summer, the Minnesota Air Source Heat Pump Collaborative found that the majority of upper Midwestern homeowners are unaware of heat pumps. 6 New York. How New Yorkers are using IRA tax credits. NYSERDA, NY.gov tax credit and energy efficient home improvement tax credit. Both IRA tax credits on air source heat pumps and heat pump water heaters. 7 Washington, Seattle. Sorted by article publisher. C. The Center Square. Seattle would have to purchase Mitsubishi brand heat pump for rebate program. The Center Square. Last week, Seattle Mayor Bruce Harrell announced a new $4,000 bonus rebate for qualifying households to purchase electric heat pumps. This new rebate. E. Everett Post. Seattle would have to purchase Mitsubishi brand heat pump for rebate program. Everett Post. Heat pump, but only if they purchase a Mitsubishi brand electric heat pump. 8 West Virginia, Charleston. Office of Energy to hold public session on $88 million home energy rebate program. Charleston Gazette. Rebate program enabled by the Inflation Reduction Act. Heat pump for space heating or cooling. $8,000. Electric stove, cooktop. 9A Canada, British Columbia, Eagle Valley. Energy efficient windows. How rebates and grants can make your upgrade more affordable. Eagle Valley News. Additional rebates are available for insulation upgrades, air source heat pumps, and electric heat pump water heaters, with bonuses for completing. 9B Canada, Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia launches annual home heating rebate program. CTV Atlantic. CTV News. The annual heating assistance rebate program offers up to $600 heat pump installation in high demand in Nova Scotia. Families earning a 10 United Kingdom. How heat pumps are revolutionizing home heating. The Telegraph. How heat pumps are revolutionizing home heating. An expert on why the air source heat pump may be a game changer for new and cheaper energy. The full potential of heat pumps as a low-carbon heating source that makes our homes more comfortable, efficient, and cheaper to heat is beginning. 11 Germany. Fraunhofer ISE developing propane heat pumps for multifamily homes. PV Magazine. Germany's Fraunhofer Institute for Solar Energy Systems, Fraunhofer ISE, is developing easy-to-use and reproducible propane heat pumps too.